It's me again, your couponer mama from Canada, Mary Ebony Paras, and for today's video, I'm very excited to share to you guys my Michael's grab bag unboxing. So I bought three grab bags, and I'm so excited to share to you guys what's inside these bags. And if you are already subscribed and you're already watching my videos, I already did an unboxing last year, and I think I did unboxing of two boxes that had Halloween and Christmas things or stuffs inside the bag. I really like the surprise of getting or buying these bags, and I'm always surprised every time. Sometimes like I get good stuff. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Then second bag, which is a little heavy, and we got a third bag. So actually, I was a bit disappointed when I saw that it was the $5 bags, because I'm used to getting like a big box for Michael's, but nonetheless I still bought three, and I can't wait to see what's inside them. Okay, so I'm gonna open the first bag. And, okay. And we're gonna check what's inside. Okay, so by the way, the grab bags would be fall items or like fall deckers. So here is the first one. Wow. It's actually a wall decor, and it is $24.99 for this pumpkin wall decor. Oh, that's so nice. Next is, okay, so we got a cookie cutter, and this is priced for $9.99. So it's a very, oh sorry. And then we got here, this is a baking cup for $3.99. And this is, what else do we got here? Oh yes. And this is a maple leaf garland. So I've been into wreaths and do-it-yourself items or things, and this is really nice. I love it. So pretty much with what I have here, it's like almost, like how much is this? This is $20. So we're looking into like $60 here worth of items for only like a price of $5 per bag. Oh, this is a animal wreath thingy. So this is $24.99. And we got some pumpkins. So the pumpkins are $4.99 each. This is also $4.99, I believe. Oh, this is $7.99. So we got. Okay. Then we got an owl, and the owl is for $29.99. Oh, and we got another garland, which is really nice. Oh, and we got a pumpkin that's for priced for $4.99. And this is a what? A topper. Oh yeah, topper, cupcake topper, or cake topper. And the last item is sunflower seeds, $10 per pack. So it's a portrait of a sunflower with the price is $24.99. I'm really happy with the first bag because it's like 200. I think it would be like less than $200 for the entire bag, and I only got it for $5. And now we are going to do the second bag, and this is a little heavy, so hopefully we get good items as well. So we got a letter S. It's a decor. And then a letter A. And we have a letter K. And then we have a letter, no, not a letter, but it's like a decor as well. Home is wherever I am with you. Oh, this is really awesome. And we got a letter S. And we got a letter, oh, what is this? Oh, it's like a box. It's letter Y, and then you can open it. Nice. We got a pail, a bucket. Okay. Those items. And what is this? Oh, we got a mini pie mold. Okay, and then something nice. We got a table cover. Oh, this is nice. And it's 60 inches by 84 inches. And the price for this, guys, is $43.99. So with this table cover, it's really worth it. It's nice. And, oh, we got one more. And lastly, Farmer's Market. And this is like a box. And looks like some writings inside, and it says like bake, fall, hello, pumpkin. Nice. And this is worth $20, $19.99. So I'm really also happy with the second box. I am very happy with my second bag. These are a lot of display items and storage items. And this is really nice. I like it. I love it. And now we're going to do the last bag, and that will be the third bag. I believe the first bag and the second bag would cost like under $400, and imagine I only paid for like 10, basically 5 each. And now we are going to open the third bag. And this bag is the heaviest bag, so we are going to be starting with, what are these? Placemats. Oh, it's a placemat, and this is for $4, $3.99. Give thanks. And then there's another one, and this is like for $15. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4. Okay, so we got more of the fall leaves. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is priced for $2.99 each. This is $2.99 as well. We got a bunch of them, so this is nice for wreaths. And this is $2.99, and then $2.99, $2.99, $2.99. So these are the kinds. So we got 3 of that, and then just 1 of these. And look how pretty the colors are for fall, right? And then we got this. And then there's more. We have like another red one, and then another piece orange one, and this one too. Okay, so we got 4 of one, oh no, just 3 of these beautiful leaves. Got a whole bunch, guys. And then we got this. It's a ribbon, and it is priced for $12.99. Very nice. So I don't really need to buy fall items or fall decors for next year. I'm all set. Just gonna be using this item. Oh, what's this? It's a mystery die popper. Oh, this is nice. Oh, see? Some activity set. And this die popper is for, how much is this? There's no price. There's no price for this one. So I got 2 of them. 2. What else do we have here? So we got a fish card game. Yeah, so we got this. And then we got a bird. What do you call this one? Is it like a bird house? It's a birdhouse, yeah. And this is priced for $24.99. So look how cute that is. And then so we pretty much have a lot of stuffs here. We have a card game, rock, paper, scissors. We got 2 of that. And then we got an old maid card game. Old maid. That's really nice. And we got a ribbon here, and this is priced for $12.99. Oh, by the way, the cards don't have any price. I can't see a tag on them, so I'm not really so sure how much this costs. And let's continue the unboxing. And then, oh my gee, this really scared me. It's a, what is this? It's an animal. I don't know if this is a rat. I don't know. So this is priced for $7.99. Oh no, $9.99. And then we got wood bead. This is $28.99. Okay. And what else do we have here? Okay. So we have, so this is why it's heavy. There is a filler. So this filler is for $9.99. And so it's a bunch of fillers. And this one is $9.99 as well. Fillers. And we got some ribbons. So these are the same decor. The ribbons are priced for $12.99. So we got this and we got this. And there's a few more items inside the bag. And we have pendants. So we got this for $7.99, and we got this for $7.99 as well, and we have this for $5.99 each. And that's What's inside the third bag? It's a lot of fall decor. And these are all the items that I got for the 3 grab bags. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that bell notification so you are notified with my new uploads. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!